Risk assessments and method statements is a vital element in creating a safe working environment for all. The supervisor should ensure that the team fully understands the RAMs, brief the team on method statement and sign on to the register to confirm this has been understood. Make sure all contents of the new door set are present, including the fixing kit and any ancillary items that may be required. The structural opening is to be measured to check that the new door will fit, including a tolerance to allow any adjustment that may be required. Prior to installation or removal of an existing door, please assess and ensure that there are no electrical cables, asbestos or any components such as alarms contacts which may be disturbed. Once alarm contacts are removed and it is safe to proceed, please carefully remove the door from opening using the correct tools to avoid any unnecessary damage. Any remaining debris around the structural opening is to be cleared before inserting the new door into position. The transit bar, which is fixed at the bottom of the frame legs, needs to be removed prior to installation. This is temporarily fixed in position to aid manufacturing delivery. Stand the frame in the intended install position. If the frame leg is raised, please use the correct amount of packers underneath the pivot block casting. Remove the bottom pivot and insert a fixing through the pivot block casting. If required, insert bottom pivot shims and place bottom pivot back into position. Check the frame legs for level. Use packers around the fixing positions and secure the frame to the structural opening. Remove stop section on frame head and closer cover plate to reveal the closer. Remove top pivot block from door leaf hinge by removing the 2 screws. Gently tighten adjusting screws on closer until tight. Rotate pivot drive on the closer 90 degrees against the intended closing direction. This can be done with an adjustable spanner. Mount the door leaf onto the bottom pivot in an opening position at 90 degrees. Place the top pivot block onto the closer pivot drive and carefully slide the leaf onto the pivot block. The 2 screws need to be inserted and tightened to secure the leaf. The closer adjustment screws, previously tightened, can now be loosened to allow the leaf to close. Ensure the latch meets the keep and is free from binding. The lock post may need to be repositioned or vertical alignment adjusted to suit. If there are mag locks present, ensure that they meet their strike plates perfectly to guarantee they lock securely. Make final adjustments to the closer by using general and latch adjustments to provide a smooth and consistent closing speed. Replace previously removed closer plate and stop section. Secure the thresholds in place, making sure this is the desired but minimal contact with a brush strip on the door leaf. Insert the 25mm brush clip and standard clip into position within the frame and then finish off the door with the metal flashings provided where required. Seal all gaps around the perimeter between the substrate and door frame and the threshold, ensuring a weather-tight seal internally and externally. Clean down the door and glass and any debris around the work area.